Afternoon, ma'am. Before we start, I'd like to introduce everyone. I am Clyde. This is Prince, Frankie, and Zaira. We are students of Lyceum Northwestern University from the College of Hospitality Management. We are here today because we will be conducting a short interview regarding our subject, Events Management. And before we continue with the questions, ma'am, can you also introduce yourself and tell us a few things about yourself and your job as an events manager?
I'm Miriam M. Cruz from Lingayen, proprietress ng Frankie's Catering Services from Lingayen, Pangasinan. I'm 50 years old. That's all.
The first question will be coming from me. Ayan po. First question is, as an events manager, what was your management style before, during, and after pandemic?
During and pandemic, before traditional, people-centered, during adapted, safety, and first and tech-reliant, after innovating the sustainable.
Okay. Next question po is, our field is always changing. As such, what have you done about personal development when it comes to becoming an events manager position in the last 24 months?
In the last 24 months or 2 years, have invested a technology training, professional development, and practical experience to ensure that remain innovative, adaptable, and client focuses as an event manager, organizer, and supplier. Yan.
Ma'am, number three po.
Okay.
What are your strengths and weaknesses as an event manager and how did you overcome them?
Ah, may strength in lie in organization. Can I read na lang po?
Opo, yes.
Okay. My strength in lie in organization is adaptable and creativity and problem solving, which helped me to deliver a successful event. My main challenge when taking on the match is striving for keeping up a new technology, but innovated them, delegation, focusing proper priorities, upgrading my digital skills, the experience made of more balanced and effective event organizer.
And fourth question, ma'am.
Mhm.
How do you assess the success of each of your events? Kindly identify and elaborate it.
Okay, I access my success not just my how a beautiful or smooth the event looks, clients on the day, but also by client satisfaction. At attendee, financial efficiency and safety, as long the term impact, the objective delight participants and create a value even after it ends.
Thank you po.
Next question po, number 5. What type of event planning are you most interested in? Corporate or social events? Why?
In this event, I find a value in both corporate and social event. Corporate event is push me up to be strategic, detailed oriented and focuses, while social event allows me to be creative, personally and emotionally connected with the client, having experience having in both area where my versatile as an event organizer. And I enjoy adjusting my approach even though the type of event what excites me most is challenging and creating meaningful experiences, whether for a company and success or individual celebration.
Next question, number 6. How did you develop or maintain your relationship with different suppliers? and clients during and after the pandemic?
I nurtured the real relationship through the constant communication, flexibility, and transparency after the pandemic. I strengthened this connection by the introducing face-to-face interaction, embracing innovation, and the consist of value. This effect helped me build lasting than stronger partnership with both client and supplier.
Next question po, number 7. What was the most challenging part of your life as an event organizer, and how did you handle every situation?
During that time of pandemic, what most challenging period of my career, but it's taught my resilience, adaptability, importance to communication by staying solution oriented, upgrading my skills and supporting the both client and the supplier, and able to handle the event situation stronger and event organizer.
Next, last question na po. Number 8. What advice can you give us as a college student in planning our own event?
Mm, para sa estudyante, ano natin na event plan is mahirap. Kaya lang, mahirap siya na excited siya. Pero very rewarding naman siya para sa inyo as a challenge and learning experience, stay organization as a work as a team. Yun ang payo ko, work as a team. Para importante sa pag-success nyo. Kasi hindi kaya ng isa or dalawa ang isang mag-o-organize ng isang event pag wala ang team. Kaya, it's bringing you vision to your life. Yun lang.
Thank you
Any
for your
question?
time, ma'am, and your participation. We highly appreciate it po.
Okay. Wala na question?
Wala na po.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you,
po.
ma'am.